Hi, and welcome to My Heaven Zero Retired and Inspired, and I have a wig unboxing. Today, I'm excited that I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a topper. It's called the Curlable Mid Topper. It's 1488A is the color, and it's a style number A6299, and I'm kind of excited about it. I wanted to, kind of share. I have very little hair up here on the top of my head. I don't know how much you can see it. I usually put some kind of a powder on the top of my head so that this kind of blends in. But today I wanted to make sure that that I didn't have that in my hair, so that you could actually see what it looks like when I don't have anything on there. So I'm pretty, especially up in this area, I'd say from the whole crown, you can see my scalp pretty good, depending upon how you're looking at me and how the light hits. So what I do is I wear a powder. It's a Joan Rivers powder that I put in my hair, and it's a gray color for gray hair, and I've been doing that for several years, probably 4 or 5 years that I've been doing that, along with the Paula Young topper, which I've been really excited to get. I also ordered this. It's called the Deluxe Soft Touch Grip, and I'm going to open it up right now, and it looks kind of interesting. This is a different kind of gripper than I've had before. It has these little nubs on them. I don't know if you can see that. I know my camera is not self-focused, so if I put it close and it's blurry, it just won't pick it up. But I don't know if you can see them nubs. Anyway, that's supposed to go on your scalp side, and then the smooth part is where you put the wig. Now the reason I ordered this particular one was because I did see a review or a comment on it that the person stated that they had a flat head in the back, and it helped to keep the wig down, and that's precisely why I ordered it, because I have a very flat head in the back. It's ridiculous, and when I'm wearing a wig, or they tend to slip up, and that's a huge problem. And it's one of the reasons that, if you saw one of my other videos, that I tend to wear a headband, because that can cover it up. It covers up that problem. So I'm going to be testing this out, not today because the topper doesn't require this, but I'm going to be testing this out, and I'll let you know what I think of it. But that won't be in this video. I'll do it on another one. So anyway, let's look at this Paula Young topper. Now, I do have the Ashley in the same exact color, and it matches my hair perfect, except that the Ashley that I had is rooted. This is not rooted. This is it. It's not rooted at all, but it does match my hair color very well. I do have the red undertones. Let's see if I can get it out of the bag. I have been excited because sometimes you just don't want to wear a full wig. And if you're just missing hair up here and you got hair everywhere else, I mean, it just makes sense just to do a topper, right? So I'm hoping this works, because it's something that I'm really excited about. Okay, so here it is. It's very close to my hair color. And okay, here's the front with the bangs. And as you can see, I don't have bangs, but I can wear bangs. I used to wear bangs all the time when I was younger. I just have chosen not to of late. And then the sides, here's the sides. It'll be interesting to see how this works on my head. Because it doesn't have any rooting. I have gray hair. My gray hair has grown out probably 2 inches now, so I do have that rooting. I just don't like to dye my hair that often, so every once in a while I'll do a touch-up. I tried to dye my hair out completely one time, and but then the back of my hair is so brown that I just didn't like the way it looked. It looked awful, so I went back to dyeing it blonde, which is what I really like. So okay, so here it is. Let's look at the underside. Okay, it's got clips. It's got 4 clips, and here's where the bangs are in the front. You can see where those go. And let's see here. So that's basically it. If you just look at it, looks like it just sits on the top. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop it on my head and we'll take a look at it. And I'm sure it's not going to be perfect because they never are when they first get them. It's very rare that you don't have to do something with them. Okay, here it is on my head. And now this is a VersaFiber. This is the curlable topper, so I can curl it. The bangs are probably just right if I get it positioned on my head in the right position. I tried to comb my hair in with it. I think it needs to have a little curl added. Like I said, I don't always wear bangs, but I do. I mean, I do wear bangs. When I was younger, I wore bangs all the time. So I'm not sure. I think it'll be okay. I'm gonna have to do some work with it. Let me just turn around. I got my all the way around chair now, so I can go all the way around with it. Now I have no idea what it looks like in the back, so hopefully it doesn't look too bad back there. So I like the fact that, you know, you can play with your own hair and that it's just sitting up on top. I kind of like that. I don't know that I feel like I have it on really secure, and that's because there's the 2 that are right here. I don't have a whole heck of a lot of hair here unless I put bobby pins there or something and then clip it on. I don't know. I know that's not how you're supposed to do it. But I'm going to step away and I'm going to work on it a little bit and come back and see how it looks once I'm done working with it. So I'll be right back. Hello, I'm back. All right. I worked with it. I got a few of my own hair still hanging out here. I worked with it. I like it. It'll take a little getting used to. Again, me and bangs, I'm just not used to them that much, but I get it, you know. And there's toppers that you can buy that don't have bangs as well. I just chose to have the bangs. So I do like it. I think that I need to do a little bit more curling on it. I think I'm going to curl it and let it sit. I've only been monkeying around with it for a little while just to get it, basically to get it on my head to see, so I felt comfortable. I finally found a spot where I feel comfortable where I hooked it. So, but I think it's okay. I will get used to it, and it certainly is better than what I had with no hair, and I will get used to it. Now I'll turn around again now that I fixed it. It doesn't look that much, it doesn't look really all that much better. It's still kind of flat, so I'm probably going to do some teasing of it, but it actually is the exact same length of my hair, And once I think I curl it, because some of my curl hair is kind of turned under, and there's one or two pieces that hangs a little bit longer. But I'm going to turn around quick and show you the whole thing. But I need to get it up a little bit here. I like a little bit more around this, in this area. So I'm going to be working on that. So I'm constantly learning something new. It's kind of fun. So I'm really glad that you joined me today. Thank you so much. Again, thank you for all of you who have been watching, those of you who have subscribed, and I encourage anyone else to follow me and to subscribe to see what else I've got cooking out there. So I'm gonna head out for now, but you guys all have a wonderful day. Thanks so much again, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye now.